Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. Okay, children. So open your textbook, science textbook. Lesson number 3, page number 18. Okay, children. All of you opened up. So, have you seen the forest, children? Have you gone? No. I think you have seen in the picture, forest and all. Okay, children. What you see in the forest? We see many animals, no children, trees, wild animals and all will be there in the forest. And trees, fruits, vegetables, all will be there in the forest, no children. So, I am going to teach you about forest. So, lesson name is Go Around the Forest. Okay, children. So, I'll read the lesson. Listen carefully. Sita lives with her family on the outskirts of a forest. Besides her family, there are many other families too. Sita loves the forest and the trees in the forest. Now she will introduce the forest where she lives. Listen to her. Come, I will introduce my forest. So, the girl named Sita, she is living with her family in the outskirts of a forest. So, with her, so many families also live there. So, Sita, she loves the forest and trees in the forest. Now, she is going to introduce the forest where she is. So, she is saying that I will introduce my forest. Next page. See, here are teak, sandalwood, matti and honey trees. They are surrounded by creepers with fragrant flowers. So, she is showing that, see here, there are so many trees. They are teak, sandalwood, matti and honey. So, these are all surrounded by flowers. The smell of the flowers are very fragrant. Next, look at the monkeys swinging and snakes crawling on the trees. Look at the herds of elephants and deer. So, she is saying that, see, the monkey is swinging and the snakes are crawling and there are herds of elephant, means a group of elephant. A group is called a herd. Herds. So, group of elephants and deer are standing there in the forest. See here elephants, 3 or 4 elephant is there, deer is there, monkey and snake are crawling, monkey is jumping from tree to tree. No children, it is nice to look this one. See in the forest. Trees provide shade for all. So these trees provide shelter. Shade means shelter. So these trees provide shelter for all. Oh, sweet fruits. Have you ever tasted these fruits? So, she is saying that, so nice fruits. Have you tasted it? Have you eaten these fruits? Have you eaten these fruits, children? See, there are jackfruits, mango, and all. Have you eaten these fruits, children? Yes. Next page. See, here are so many fruits are there. So, here up one is jackfruit, next plum, next mango, next this one is blackberry and a fig, papaya, guava, custard apple, banana and all these are all fruits. Have you ever tasted these fruits, children? It is very tasty. These fruits are very tasty and some fruits are good for our health also. No children? How big and beautiful is my forest. This is my sweet home. So, she is saying that this forest is very big and it is beautiful and she is saying that this is my sweet home. Forest is my sweet home. Okay children? Which is our sweet home? Forest is our sweet home. We can see in the forest many animals, wild animals, and trees like sandalwood, matti, honey tree, and flowers also. That flowers will smell nicely, and snakes will be crawling from on the tree, and monkeys will be jumping from tree to tree. No, children? And there are so many fruits, and the fruits will be very tasty to eat. Draw a circle around the fruits you have eaten in the picture given above. So, in your textbook, you take pencil. Which fruits you have eaten, you draw circle on that fruits. Okay, children? Next page. Make a list of fruits which are available or grown in your locality. So, near your house or your friend's house, some fruits will be there. No, children, some fruits are growing there. So, you make a list and write in the space given here. Do you know, children, which fruits are that one? Yes. So, mango, banana, guava, jackfruit, papaya, pomegranate, blackberry, custard apple. Okay, children. So, these are the fruits. Spelling is mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. G-U-A-V-A, guava. J-A-C-K-F-R-U-I-T, jackfruit. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E, pomegranate. Next, B-L-A-C-K-B-E-R-R-Y, blackberry. Okay, children. So next, custard apple. Spelling is C-U-S-T-A-R-D-A-P-P-L-E, custard apple. So these are all the fruits that are grown in near your house. Okay, children. You write in the dash provided there. Do you know that the trees in the forest provide us with so many things? Look at the picture and know this. Write the names of these things given in the picture under them. So, you know that for the trees in the forest also give so many things for us. Okay, no, children? The forest also provide so many things for us. See, they are given some picture what we get from the forest, and you write the names under that. So, from the tree, you can make table, chair and all. So, that is table or chair. Next, this side, right side is, that is a paper. So, next is matchbox. So, next, wood. Next is vegetables. So, next is grass. Next, in the left side, this is doors and windows. We will call it as a furniture. Okay, children. Next is flower. Next is ink. Next is gum. And last is honey. Okay, children. So these are all the things we get from the forest, from the trees in the forest. Okay, children. So next, I'll say the spelling. For table, T-A-B-L-E, table, or chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Next, paper, P-A-P-E-R, paper. Next, matchbox, M-A-T-C-H-B-O-X, matchbox. Next, wood, W-O-O-D, wood. Next is vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Next, grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. Next, furniture, F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E, furniture. Next, flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Next, ink, I-N-K, ink. Next is gum, G-U-M, gum. Next, last one, honey, H-O-N-E-Y, honey. Okay, children. These are the things that the trees in the forest gives. Okay, children, gives us. In your previous class, you learned about the trees. Name 10 trees that grow in your place. Do these trees grow in the forest also? Know from your elders. So, in the last class, you learned about some trees. No, children? So, if you know about trees, you write the names of the trees 10 or how much you know. So, do you know, children? The name of the trees? Yes, the trees are neem tree, mango tree, banyan tree, guava tree, palm tree, ashoka tree, and coconut tree. So the spellings are N-E-E-M, neem. Next, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Next, banyan, B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan. Next, G-U-A-V-A, guava. Next, palm, P-A-L-M, palm. Next, ashoka, A-S-H-O-K-A, ashoka. Next, coconut, C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. So, these are all the trees. If you know still another some trees name, you can write in the space provided. Okay, children? Next page. Make a list of 5 trees that grow in your place and in the forest. So, do you know, children, which trees grow in your place and in the forest? Can you say any names, children? So, trees that grow in your place. So, first is coconut, mango, banyan, palm, custard apple. So, these are the trees that grow in our place. Okay, children. Next, trees that grow in the forest. Bamboo, neem, gooseberry, sandalwood, teakwood. Okay, children. Next, I'll say the spellings. Trees that grow in your place. First is coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. Next, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Next, banyan. B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan. Next, palm. P-A-L-M, P-A-L-M, palm. Next, custard apple. C-U-S-T-A-R-D-A-P-P-L-E, custard apple. Next, spellings that grow in the forest. Trees that grow in the forest. Bamboo. B-A-M-B-O-O, bamboo. Next is neem. N-E-E-M, neem. Next, gooseberry. G-O-O-S-E-B-E-R-R-Y, gooseberry. Next, sandalwood. S-A-N-D-A-L-W-O-O-D, sandalwood. Next, fifth one. Teakwood. T-E-A-K-W-O-O-D, teakwood. So, these are the trees that grow in your place and that grow in the forest. Okay, children? Next, observe the trees in this picture. Write 2 uses of each tree in the space given. Take the help of the elders. So, for first, teakwood tree. So, what are the uses of these trees? So, this teakwood tree is used for making furniture, doors, etc. Students, next, this is sandalwood tree. It is used for making soap, idols, perfume. Idols means ದೇವ್ರದ್ದು ಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪರ್ಫ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಂಟು. So, the sandalwood is used for making soap, idols and perfume. Next, jambu tree. It provides fruits of God, that is blackberry. Banyan tree. Banyan tree gives us leaves, fruits, etc. Next is Pongamia. So it is used to produce fuel. This tree is, its uses is, it gives us fuel. Next, neem tree. So this neem tree is used for medicine, to prepare medicine. Next, gooseberry. So it provides vitamin C. It is good for our health. Next, this is bamboo tree. So it is used for making paper and it gives us shade, cool shade. This bamboo tree is used for making paper and it gives cool shade. Okay, children. Students, any doubt? Shall I ask some questions, children? Okay, children. So, what do you see in the forest, children? So, we see so many trees, animals, and all. No, children. What do they provide us, children? What do the forest provide us? So, the forest provides us trees, shelters, fruits and all. No, children. So, there are sandalwood, matti and one trees. No, children. So, which are the animals that you find in the forest, children? So, in this picture, so we can find herd of elephants, monkeys, snake and deer. Okay, children. Next, what do trees provide, children? So, trees provide us shelter. No, children. So, trees provide us shelter. So, have you tasted the fruits, children? Whether it is sweet? Yes, fruits are sweet. Here, so many fruits are there, no, children? So, how is the forest, children? The forest is big and beautiful. No, children? So, which are the fruits that are available near your house, children? So, the fruits are mango, banana, guava, jackfruit, papaya, pomegranate, blackberry and custard apple. Now, children, these are the fruits we can see near our house. Next question. So, which are the trees that grow in your place and in the forest, children? So, the trees that grow in our place are coconut, mango, banyan, palm and custard apple. The trees that grow in the forest are bamboo, neem, gooseberry, sandalwood, teakwood. Okay, children? Any doubts, children? So, still lessons are there. I will continue in the next class. Okay, children? Thank you, children.